enjoy. Crema enjoy.
Oh, fantastic. Good job, chef. Okay. Good job, chef.
Redemption, right? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Chef. Good job, chef. Cooking burgers. Okay. Everybody. That's it. It's harder than it was. Okay.
We're getting the fact that the fruit is with the burger. They're finding very interesting. Has anyone put fruit in a burger before? No. Why is my boyfriend the only one who's like, I have and I've never had it? I think he's learning. Who's he cooking for?
You don't know about fig in a burger, right? That's a beautiful. Yeah. I'm a chef from Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, I'm living up in Pennsylvania for 40-something years.
Sure.
Yeah.
Island of the spices down.
Oh, the island spices are fantastic.
Those are my plates too.
The island spices
Okay,
are.
the judges are now ready for Chef Eric. Chug your wine. You got to get a different one this time.
YouTube, sorry. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. I'm a YouTube blogger.
All right. How we doing, everybody? One more time. How we doing, everybody?
Oh!
There we go. Hi, judges. So today we do a breakfast burger using all of our ingredients. So starting out, we have the buns toasted in butter infused with the portobello and French seasoning and the smoked oak from Old Saratoga spice rubs. And those two flavors are pretty much in everything throughout the whole burger. The burger also has those two seasonings in it, and then in the middle of the burger is the cheese, the dill cheese that we used from, where's that burger again? Bees cheese. That's also on top of the burger, and then the bacon is crispy on the bottom. And then I made a mushroom reduction using the Amaranth Winery Bacon Noir. Also the Grove Gourmet Basil and Garlic Oil.
I want you
the mushrooms,
to
the
support
seasonings are all in that, and that's on top for you.
100%.
So enjoy. You're welcome.
He's like, I casually use Adirondack Winery wine.
Support this, 100%.
For no reason at all, I threw Adirondack Winery wine in my burger, even though Sasha, the owner, is one of the judges. It just happened by accident.